Hello, welcome to JTRADE.
Hi, thank you very much. It's Daniel Hertz, I'm the MD at Commercial Acceptances.
Hi, we're Kevin from.
33 Bedford Row, Barristers Chambers.
How are you doing today?
Marvellous. It's about the third. I've been coming here since the beginning, and it's always an interesting show. Lots of people involved in property and development and planning law, all, a target-rich environment for clients and a place to meet old friends and make new acquaintances.
What does cash mean to your business?
Security.
What does cash mean to your business?
It's all about cash. We haven't got cash, we haven't got anything to lend.
Cash. It's important. Well, they've certainly got. They certainly need to have ready capital available to them, because without ready capital, they can't expand. And as we all know, we need to grow the economy, and you can only really do that if the funds are there available to you.
It's a great question. Obviously, particularly with the market heading the way that it is, recovery of fees is really crucial to us, because with a recession perhaps being part or looming or perhaps going worse, cash recovery is really important to us.
Oh, cash is everything. You have to pay us, otherwise we can't work. So we're not a charity, and we don't do legal aid in the commercial world. So cash is important, and you pay us and then we'll do the work for you.
And what would happen if a client didn't pay on time? How does that affect your business?
I'll just stop giving a service.
Fair enough.
We are a relationship-based business, so we like to think of ourselves as people that work with our clients, and we'd like to be understanding. So it wouldn't necessarily be our first move to take an aggressive step to recover our fees. We'd like to understand why the client can't pay.
Some people just don't pay straight away, and they just need the reminders and something to keep on top of it.
Well, we've got quite a strict policy of 30-day payment, and if they don't, if we are ever notified that that's not 30 days, then we need a very, very good reason. So we're constantly on to them to make sure that they're settling. One of the things I've been pushing for at City Hall is to ensure that those public sector employees, those public sector clients, are also paying on time, because it really does matter to businesses that they're getting paid on time and ready for the next piece of work.
Would it mean for your business all your clients paid on time?
Oh, it'd be wonderful. I hope you've got a solution for me.
Definitely